This is the kind of motorcycle that actually nobody buys, nobody wants, everybody hates it. But the second you own one, everybody calls you and is like, I want to come over. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. I am driving my Brabus with an empty trailer. That can only mean one thing and one thing only. I'm buying a new motorcycle. Or I just lost the BMW S1000R, bringing it back to Brussels. Could be both. Anyway, it is not. Greta is going to be happy. Europe and their Green Deal, they're going to like this one. I'm sure I can get a date with Greta when I show her this. So I'm driving to Bornem, to e-bikes Bornem. It is father and son, really friendly guys. They help me out a lot online. So surprising them with a visit. And I'm buying a Sur-ron. I don't know. That is that. So yeah, we picked it up, we got it hooked onto the trailer. I specifically ordered a box. I have no idea why, now I have even more work, but yeah, I asked for a box.
5 minutes later.
And just like that, we got it home. Now, I just had dinner, I fell asleep because I had a workout this morning. I usually don't really have workouts. Anyway, it's getting a little bit crowded here. I think I got too many bikes now. Why not? Get an electrical motorcycle, they said. It will be funded. I understand what you guys are thinking, but I'm thinking the same. I have no idea why I bought it. I was like, maybe I can just ride it in my backyard without any noise. I mean, this thing is road legal and made in China. How good can it be? Anyway, it's getting very late. First thing in the morning, putting this baby back together. See you in a second. And just like that, I am back in black. Back in black. That was weird. Anyway, Sur-ron time lapse. I'm not gonna lie, it just looks so skinny and I mean, get ready for a test ride. First time riding electric. I've never been on a Sur-ron. It is strange because it is very silent. It's not making any sound, and I'd rather ride a 200 horsepower or a 300 horsepower Hayabusa turbo because I can actually hear the RPMs, and this is just like, I don't know. That's not good. What the hell? actually kind of fun. Can I enduro turn it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I don't have it on full power yet, I think. Let me try. E2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, long. It jumps into CO. And I believe this is full power. Oh yeah, it's going well over 50. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's not a two-smoker, it's not a four-stroke, but that thing is hilarious. And yet again, one of my best friends already stole it. Yeah, this is the kind of motorcycle that actually nobody buys, nobody wants, everybody hates it, but the second you own one, everybody calls you and is like, I want to come over. So yeah, my buddy didn't really crash it, and I can pretty much easy wheelie it. Really love it. Now, I know, I took a BMW GS last week, a BMW S1000R, KTM 1290s, like really heavy, fast, crazy bikes. And at this moment, I'm like, I've got a Sur-ron. But like I said, it's just from my backyard. It is street legal, so I'm going to do some single tracks, mountain bike tracks as well. Not real sure what else I'm gonna do with it. Now, I was just going to pimp this thing without recording it, but you know what? 1,000 likes on this video, 1,000 likes, and I'm making a video of me pimping it. If not, I'm just pimping it without recording it. And you guys will never ever see the Sur-ron on the channel again. Maybe a couple of times. I'm not really sure. Anyway, like the video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya!